Sodium-ion batteries are being positioned as one of the most important shifts in China's energy and EV strategy. They promise lower costs, abundant raw materials, and resilience against lithium price volatility. But behind the headlines, industry leaders are split on how fast this technology can truly scale. Today, we're unpacking the tech, the manufacturing reality, and the business implications so you can understand what's hype, what's real, and what's coming next. China's battery giants are racing to diversify away from lithium. Sodium is cheap, widely available, and geopolitically stable. That's why CATL, the world's largest battery maker, is pushing sodium-ion systems aggressively. CATL says its sodium-ion packs are ready for commercial vehicles right now. Factories are built, supply agreements are signed, and domestic rollout is scheduled for later this year. But the industry isn't unified behind this timeline. At the World Economic Forum in Dalian, Hithium Energy Storage Chairman Wu Zuyu delivered a blunt message. Wu isn't an outsider. He spent 6 years as a senior engineer at CATL and understands the bottlenecks firsthand. His argument is grounded in operational reality. Upstream processing isn't mature, patent development is still thin, high-volume manufacturing lines aren't fully optimized, supply chains cannot support global distribution yet. His 5-year timeline aligns with BYD's cost parity expectations for 2027. So we have a strategic split. The latest sodium-ion platform Tenor is technically impressive and addresses many of the chemistry's historical weaknesses. 92% capacity retention at 20°C using wide-temperature dipole technology, 15,000 charge cycles, Prussian blue analog cathodes engineered to reduce lattice distortion, a sloped curve BMS that improves state-of-charge accuracy and expands the overcharge safety window by 20%. This is not a lab experiment anymore. The hardware is stabilizing and the engineering is catching up. CATL has invested 5 billion yuan, about $700 million to expand its funding base. That adds 40 GWh of annual capacity, alongside a massive 160 GWh facility in Jining. They've also secured 3-year supply agreements covering 60 GWh, ensuring stable utilization during early ramp-up. But even with this infrastructure, global distribution won't begin until mid-2027. Domestic rollout comes first, and even that depends on supply chain stability. Here's the business reality. Sodium-ion batteries will scale in before they scale in passenger EVs. Grid storage prioritizes lifetime and cost over energy density. Utility-scale deployments allow manufacturers to build volume without intense price competition. Multi-megawatt installations provide real-world validation at lower risk. Hithium is already developing variants for this market. CATL's 60 GWh agreement with Hyperstrong reinforces the trend. So what's the real timeline? CATL. Sodium-ion is ready now. Domestic EV rollout begins this year. Industry insiders. True mass market viability needs 5 years. Market consensus. Sodium-ion will dominate stationary storage first, then enter EVs once cost parity and supply chain maturity are achieved. Sodium-ion isn't just a new battery chemistry, it's a strategic reshaping of China's energy ecosystem. The next 5 years will determine whether it becomes a mainstream EV technology or remains primarily a grid storage solution. If you want deeper insights into China's battery race, EV supply chains, and next-generation energy technologies, subscribe to Smart Tech Biz. You'll get weekly breakdowns of major tech shifts, insider analysis on China's manufacturing strategies, real-time updates on EV, battery, and energy markets. Stay ahead of the curve.